Today I'm going to share my tips on how to make a delicious and airy golden brown herb focaccia. To get started, you will need these 5 ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, olive oil, active dry yeast, and salt. You can make this by hand, but I recommend having a stand mixer and a baking sheet measuring 18 by 13 inches. We will begin by combining flour, water, and olive oil into your mixing bowl. Mix together well and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. This process is called autolyse, which helps the flour become fully hydrated and helps develop the structure of the focaccia. This will also help cut down on mixing time. After 20 minutes, you can see how stretchy the dough has become just by resting. Because salt granules are much larger than the yeast granules, allow for more mixing time. I usually give this about 4 minutes. Once all the ingredients are completely mixed together, place your dough on a floured sheet pan and cover with plastic wrap to allow to rest. The dough has been through quite a lot of mixing, so we're going to give this about an hour. To help our focaccia with a nice airy consistency, we are going to incorporate a letterfold into the dough. To do so, rotate your sheet pan long ways and imagine your dough to be a sheet of paper. Fold it into thirds. And rotate 90 degrees. Drizzle the dough with some olive oil, rub it into the dough, and cover it back up with a plastic wrap. We're going to let this rest for another hour. Utilize this downtime to your benefit. After an hour, you can see how much bigger the dough has gotten. We're going to repeat everything from our last process again. So straighten out the dough. We're going to do another letter fold. Rotate 90 degrees. Drizzle with olive oil. Rub it into the dough. Cover it back up with a plastic wrap for our next resting period. While we wait for our last rise, let's get our herbs ready. Get creative and use your favorite. Today I'm using chives, sage, and thyme. Chop the herbs finely and combine. You can see after this last resting period, our dough has gotten much bigger and happier. Gently stretch the dough to meet the edges of the pan. Sprinkle the herbs and flaky sea salt on top. Your focaccia is now ready for the oven. Place the focaccia in the oven and bake for about 25 to 35 minutes until it's beautiful and golden brown. Once the focaccia is cool enough to handle, slice and serve with your favorite fall soups or your favorite oils, vinegars, and butter.